Search faster with SKU Smart Search. Finding the correct industrial fastener should be fast, precise, and efficient. The new Argip B2B platform includes a powerful, intelligent search engine designed specifically for industrial procurement professionals to make life easier. You can search products using either the advanced tool to search bulk products, where you can search by SKU numbers, or do it in the search bar. SKU numbers. You will need only our SKU numbers. We can share our series with you. You can save the most popular ones. Once you have them, you can start using the bulk search. Go to the cart icon and you will see a small button which says Expand. Click it. It will display a blank space where you can paste an Excel format text with SKU numbers and quantities. The first column is designed for SKU and the second one is for quantities. Do not worry about calculating the packages or complete packages. Simply write the quantity you are interested in. For example, pasting and clicking in Add to Cart, the system itself will show you the quantities approximated to the number you wrote. The changes happen simply because of the new feature of the website automatically shows the next full package. You won't have to calculate the packages or the units for each package. In the example, you could see that one of the items was inquired by 5,250. For this particular position, we sell only packages by 500 units. That's why it automatically changed to 5,500 to the next full package. The system will later on inform you that the quantity has been changed. Therefore, you will have a much better understanding of those items. If your search is more focused on norms and descriptions, the new platform offers you a much deeper and substantial improvement. You can either write the norm, size, and coating. The system will automatically recognize the product and it will show you as an option. Or you can write a description. For example, die 931 size M10, length 40, in class material, 8.8 no coating. The system will show you exactly the item you wrote. But if your search is a much wider search and you are not sure about the specific norm, shape, or something more, you can always get visual support in our matrix search. You don't have to click yet. Please hover the mouse over the options you will see in the matrix view. Here you can see the pictures, some groups of items. You can always find exactly what you are looking for. If you want to do it as an explorer, you have two options. Click in the main group of products you are interested in, and the system will show you two options. First, List View. The List View will show you in a wider way the items and discard those which don't belong to the filters you applied. On the left side, you can see all the filters you want to apply. The matrix view, on the other hand, provides you a great view of how our assortment currently looks like. Remember that our warehouse is your warehouse. If you choose the general group of items, for example, bolts, always you will have to choose the subcategory. For example, we are searching for hexagon heads. Once you have selected the type of products, it will show you the whole group of norms, class material, coating, properties, or application options that we have. For example, if you are searching for DIN 931 in class material A470 stainless steel, but the current stock doesn't exist, you can look for option in A480 with no need to spending time looking in other places. Only select the material and it will automatically show you our assortment up to date. Let's move to placing orders. Remember to create your account now.